Hello all, welcome to PSB Loans in 59minutes.com. A borrower can get personal loan in principle approval within 15 minutes. Any salaried individual borrower can register and apply for personal loan in principle approval through this platform. This is the home page. If you are a new borrower, then click on Register. If you are already registered, then click on Login. In order to register, enter your name, email address and mobile number. Enter OTP for verification and then proceed to set password for any future login purposes. Post successful registration, the borrower will directly land on Profile page. You may either create a profile first and then apply for a loan, or may apply for a loan directly by clicking on Loan. From Loan page, click on Create New to create a new loan application. The loan products are bifurcated into two categories, that is business loans and retail loans. Now, you may select your loan requirement, that is personal loan. Welcome to the first page, that is confirmation. Provide your confirmation to the various statements that are shown on the current page and proceed to the information page. The borrower needs to provide details required under each section shown. Now, at income tax return page, go to Upload ITR section to upload latest ITRs of up to 3 years in PDF or XML format. Click on Read Instructions and follow the steps mentioned in order to download ITR in PDF or XML format. If you are exempt to file ITR, you may click on Manually Fill Income Details to self-declare personal and income details. Next, go to Bank Statements page to upload your latest bank statement. You may select from the listed bank accounts or click on Add Another Account to add another bank detail. Select your bank name and account since details and then upload the latest 6 months bank statement in PDF format. Maximum 3 bank statements can be uploaded. Next, go to One Form page to provide your basic, employment, contact and credit related details. Go to Basic Info page to provide your basic details. At Employment Details page, you need to provide your employment related details. Next, go to Contact Info page to provide your contact details. A consent and undertaking pop-up window will appear. We request you to read the same. Give consent by ticking respective box to proceed. An OTP will be sent on the mobile number registered with the Bureau to verify the request for credit data fetch. In case of successful OTP verification, go to Credit Info page to confirm the existing credit facilities or loans that has been fetched from Bureau. In case the OTP is not received or generated, you may choose to answer the Bureau questions. Now, after providing all the details, you may proceed to Personal Loan Details page. Here you need to provide loan requirement details and declaration to the various statements. Now, you may apply for loan. If the borrower's loan proposal got matched with any of the lender products on the platform, then a pop-up window will appear for email address verification. Enter the OTP received on the registered email address in order to verify. Now, the borrower would be able to view all the lender products that have been matched with the loan proposal. Various filters have been provided to refine the search. Kindly compare and then select a preferable lender suiting your requirements. A consent and undertaking pop-up window will appear. Give consent by ticking the respective box to proceed. Now, you may select the lender branch to forward the proposal to. Congratulations for receiving an in-principle approval letter from your preferred lender. Loan details and preferred lender details will be mentioned in the letter. In case the borrower is ineligible for a contactless journey after providing all the required details, please do not lose heart. The borrower will have an option to forward the proposal for manual processing by selecting the lender, state, city and branch. If a borrower has directly applied for any of the retail loans, then borrower's individual profile gets created automatically. Click on the created profile to view details of ongoing and completed loan applications. In future, the existing individual profile may be used to apply for next retail loan requirements. With this, we have covered all the aspects of a personal loan borrower application process. We are psbloansin59minutes.com. Digital lending by empowering borrowers and lenders.